Let's kick it off with our top story of the day. The December jobs report coming in hotter than expected on the headline number. The U.S. adding 216,000 jobs during the month of December. Now, it is the first of a slew of data that the Fed is going to be getting before their first meeting of the year. Here to break all of this down and what this report could mean for the Fed's next decision, we want to bring in Yahoo Finance's Jennifer Schonberger. Jen.
Good morning, Shauna. First jobs report since the Fed signaled it has finished raising rates and could soon cut rates sometime this year. But the December jobs report coming in much stronger than expected on all metrics, whether it was that top line non-farm payroll number, wage growth, or the drop in the labor force participation rate, all likely to take the possibility of a rate cut that Wall Street has priced in for March off the table. And indeed, if you look at the CME futures, those bets are being dialed back this morning. The job market based on this morning's data still too hot for the Fed's taste. They would really need to see job growth in the area of 100,000 or less on non-farm payroll numbers per month and wage growth closer to 3% rather than the 4% that we've been getting for them to consider cutting rates. Now, if we do look at the revisions, I want to point out a trend that we've been seeing, which is that the job reports keep coming in very strong initially, but then they are revised lower subsequently. And you saw that in the months of October and November in this very report. October was revised down to 105,000, while November was revised down to 175,000. So collectively, 71,000 fewer jobs for those 2 months combined, showing that perhaps the job market is coming into a bit of a better balance and cooling than what we saw on the top line number this morning. Still, taken together, there is nothing in this morning's jobs report or the latest jobs data that indicates that the Fed is going to cut rates anytime soon. And frankly, guys, if we continue to see such strong job reports month after month, you gotta wonder if they're gonna consider hiking again. Guys?
All right, Yahoo Finance's Jennifer Schonberger, always keeping us on our toes. Possibility of additional rate hikes in 2024. Jen, we'll talk to you later on this hour.